Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to design a web dashboard in Stitch. All right. So go ahead and log into stitch.withgoogle.com. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just basically click on web right here as you would like to start a new web design. Okay. So once that's done, make sure to select the model that you'd like to use. And by the way, you could also use the Nano Banana Pro, which will make you redesign existing websites, okay, if you like. All you need to do is just attach a screenshot. But let's just go ahead and use the default one right here, which is Gemini 3 Pro, okay? And then, if you want to, you can go ahead and use an existing website right here by just using a web URL as a reference. Or you could go ahead and upload a screenshot if you want to as well, okay? Now, let's say I'm going to go ahead and create a messaging website just like Facebook's Messenger. Just make it simple. That's it. Now hit on the generate button or hit on enter your keyboard and just wait for it. Okay. It will give you a prompt right here in the left panel. And if you wanted to continue with the design Stitch is going to make, like here, it will give you login and sign up page, the conversation list, and the chat window. Now, if you wanted, you can click on yes, design all of them, or you could add in some more pages. Okay. If not, just click on yes, design all of them. And when it's done and you don't like the stages, you can just go ahead and delete them, add more stages if you want to, or pages, however you like. Okay. Let's just wait for it. All right. As you can see here, as fast as that, here we now have our login and sign up page. Okay, it says here a clean and straightforward interface for users to log in or create a new account. The conversation list right here, displaying a list of all active conversations and a chat window. Okay, as you can see here, it looks similar to Facebook's Messenger. Okay, now if you don't like the background color or the theme color, you can just go ahead and hover over a stage. Now click on edit right here and click on edit theme. Okay, select, would it be a light mode or dark mode? Just for example, dark mode right here. I'm going to go ahead and change the color palette to maybe yellow. Okay, and then once that's on, I'm going to go ahead and change the font. Maybe let's just go ahead and try Sora right here. And click on apply theme and just wait for it. Also, by the way, if you want to add in some more details in this page, you can just go ahead and click on edit and click on add to chat. Okay, so this is the dark mode with a yellow color or yellow theme. And that is it. That's how you design a web dashboard here in Stitch. Add in some more stages, as I've said earlier, right here, or edit it from here. Okay, you have the more section, which you can go ahead and click on view code and copy the code from here and to continue working wherever you want. Okay, or you can just go ahead and export it, download it from here, or basically copy the code and continue with Figma. And don't worry if you don't know how to do that, we're going to make a video about it. Just go ahead and look it up on our channel. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.